Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to type the peso sign in Microsoft Word. So friends, if you want to type this peso sign or symbol, so just you need to select font style as Tahoma. So type here T A, so you will find Tahoma. So select it and font size as your choice and requirement. After that you need to type 20 B1. Now press Alt X together. That's it. So very simple. Type number 20 B1, then press Alt and X. That's it. So hopefully friends you like this video. By this simple and basic video we can know how to type peso sign or how to insert peso symbol in MS Word document. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more useful videos.